good morning, Maji.
Good morning.
Hey, where are you about now?
The long time institute, right?
You mean Comrade Dehiwala? Oh, Pandu.
Yeah. Completely.
Okay, Dehiwala. Fine. I'm on the way. So, if I come, can I meet you now?
Yeah, sure. You can come.
Okay. I'll come. I'll come by 5 minutes. Like, I need to discuss with you. There's an idea. Right, actually. So, we'll discuss about that. Right? Wait, I'll come soon.
Okay, see you.
Maji, good morning. Maji, what idea? Sattapadi idea. This time we have to do that. Right? This time අනිවාර්යෙන් පරමච්චයක් ගහන්න ඕන.
Sirada.
This is the idea.
Yeah.
Sit. Now, can you remember, Machan, 2020 we did
Yeah.
a plan for
Beginning.
in the beginning, team Comrade beginning time.
Yeah.
We were discussing about this daily task. Can you remember daily task?
Why not?
Live
That
task
was
session.
Something very productive, right?
Yeah, that was patta effective,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
Patta effective. Now this time that 2023 batch is there, right?
Yeah.
They're going to face their O-levels in May,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
So my idea is now you can remember 2020 batch what kind of results we produced,
Yeah.
right? That was a
There was
marvelous,
A's,
right?
all the
Such
subjects.
a lot of A's, right, for maths and science.
Yeah.
But now now I am doing science and you are doing maths now,
Yeah.
right? Earlier, like we did at once. So the thing is, this time we will bring that back.
The concept back.
Yeah, the concept back, right? So if we bring that concept back, Machan, this is the thing.
Yeah.
Now like we are in a tight schedules.
Yeah,
So
we started the physical classes and
so on. No, like now we are Dehiwala one branch, another Pandura one branch also there.
We miss the online student
Obviously,
base.
like no means that we actually when we focusing in physical part, we actually forgot much. That is the thing.
Forgot in the
Right.
sense actually we were
We were that, but-
we every time used to talk.
And
But the
then
thing
we-
is we didn't have a time to keep a separate session for them, right? So what
That
I
part
can
we
understand
missed.
what you are trying to tell now to bring back that concept.
Yeah, that part we missed, and then
And even that concept we focused only for the online students, right?
previously,
Previously.
right? And now what I'm planning is now we have to take back. That means every week, like as we did earlier. Now earlier we did every day, no?
Yeah.
Everyday concept except the Sundays,
Yeah.
right? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, like that we did,
Yeah.
right? This time I need your help also, Machan, because I will be doing the science part,
Okay.
right? Science part, and that is on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.
Okay.
And you have to continue on Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturdays,
Okay, sure.
right? With our schedules, like we can schedule it on mornings, like around
Okay.
5 to 6,
Yeah.
right? And that is very fresh morning
Yeah,
times, right?
yeah.
Okay, so
And
that
especially
project,
for both these tough
Yeah.
lessons, like tough
right?
subjects.
Maths and science, no, therefore, right?
Yeah.
And this totally we did earlier also for past papers,
Yeah.
right?
Past
So
papers.
new syllabus starting from 2016.
Yeah.
From 2016, we'll be starting the past paper series again, in the sense of the Mondays will be like this thing, like science. If I tell
Yeah.
Monday, I'll be doing 2016.
Starting from 2016.
Yeah, 16 MCQ paper, first 20 questions, right?
Okay.
And then the second day, the
Okay.
next hour, another 20 questions,
Okay.
right? We'll be discussing that.
That means on Wednesday, the remaining.
Yeah, the remaining 20 MCQ. Then the Friday, what we'll be doing is the structured. Structured, there are 4 questions. So these 4 questions, according to science structure, right? And the next week, Monday, we'll be discussing essays, Now 5 essays are there, like actually 2.5 of the essays we will be discussing on Monday.
Okay.
Then the next Wednesday we will be discussing the rest of the 2.5 of the questions,
Yeah,
right?
that is really good one idea.
Right. Then Machan, the next day
Okay.
we will be starting 2017 paper. So this is as a rotation, right? We have around like 39 to 40 days of this
Yeah.
until the exam, right? So
If we
in
see,
this scenario,
according to that, if we see like we are having like 40 days.
yeah,
each
around
for
40
one
days.
subject, no?
Okay, that means like kind of we can name this as project 40 or something. Maybe
Yeah,
sounds good,
40,
right? Yeah. So project 40,
Yeah.
or like we'll see, right?
Yeah.
Oh, like at dawn we are doing morning, so
Yeah.
we can like project dawn 40 or as a how, right?
You see.
So that sounds good, right?
Yeah.
Right?
Obviously.
So this time I can't do it alone. Obviously, I need your help also for this.
Sure.
So together, as comrades,
Sure.
right? Like as earlier,
Okay.
we're going to smash this, right?
Sure.
And we're going to produce better results.
Okay.
This time we need to produce. Now, last time I can remember it was around 50% A in the entire classroom,
Yeah.
right? Now this time we need to beat that in
Yeah.
maths as well as science,
Sure.
right? Okay. So this past paper series need to be a revolution in this entire education industry,
Sure.
right? And you know, Machan, and we
That,
need to reach.
Students shouldn't forget.
Yeah, obviously.
That kind of a project we need to do. Like,
Yes, right.
Right.
And,
yeah. What about now? Even now you told your schedule. Even for the maths, I will happen to have a schedule, right?
Yeah.
So since you all of a sudden wrote this idea for me, I have to like work on that to bring the schedule.
Yes,
But
obviously.
for that, anyways, end of the clip of this, surely we will like.
We'll
upload
put the entire schedule, no?
schedule.
Yeah.
Both of the schedules. So
Right.
students
Machan,
will-
I am planning to. Yeah, actually, we had to plan. Suddenly we can't start because like it takes a little bit of time.
Yeah.
But as soon as possible, we have to start also. So
Yeah.
around
So when
February 5th, shall we start?
So February 5th is when, right?
February 5th, I guess it is Monday.
Monday. So
Yeah, as I remember, it's
that is
Monday.
better. Okay.
February 5th, okay, right? It's a Monday. It's a good day, and then we can start.
Sure.
Right, and Machan, current situation of the Sri Lanka, it's not that good, economically, financially, so many problems are there.
Yeah.
Right, so we can't keep a huge amount of fee for all the students because as we are mainly based on online, right, not for physical students. Then this is my opinion. My opinion is around like as we are having like these problems and all.
You mean
Is it okay?
because of
Fine.
this VAT and all
Yeah,
those
so
things,
many things, no.
because,
So
many
therefore, shall we like
taxes.
no without fees? If we do, there's like no worth for students,
No
right?
worth,
Obviously, for
because
free,
some students will come-
everybody is doing a free macha,
Yeah.
right? And then there is no worth actually.
Yeah.
Everything is free, and then they don't understand what is the value,
Yeah.
right? Actually, everything has to have a value, but with the situation, I thought of like at least per month, like 500 rupees is enough, no?
For one subject.
For one subject, yeah, like they can afford, no?
Yeah.
Right, we
Because
can't.
Now even the current situation has made people to get used for that amount to be a simple amount.
Simple. That is the thing.
The 500 now. Earlier it was a big amount actually when we were doing it 2020.
Obviously.
But now that has been changed even.
Right. But this time
but-
actually we need to produce some more result, more intelligent students,
Sure,
right?
sure.
That is the basic idea, right?
Yeah.
That is why we are focusing on main two subjects,
Okay.
right? And we need to provide them as maximum
And
as
also we
possible.
will like try our maximum to give them like good tips.
Yeah, obviously like exam techniques and so many things like they have to know, right? So many techniques are there, the drawing techniques and imaginary techniques and
Because
then,
I can remember like earlier you did several drawings, time like what we call tables,
mind maps, flow
mind
charts. We
maps,
did
flow
so
charts,
much of
sure.
thing,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
So this is mainly we are like will base right
Yeah.
this on all the students, right?
Sure.
Okay, for everyone and around the Sri Lanka,
Yeah, because
right? Yeah.
another thing, science and maths, when it comes to science and maths, they are like tough subjects, one thing. And also, most of the teachers are not knowing how to exactly insert those things to the students.
Students' mind.
And also, one thing, when it comes to science and maths, daily you need to work on that. Daily. So, but I think as you are having this good idea, if we like start this, commence
No,
this
and then
and-
we shouldn't postpone this. Like
No.
Okay,
We
so
will not postpone this.
we'll obviously start on February 5th. We'll obviously start.
As we
right?
plan. Surely.
You know, and other thing is, the morning times are like very fresh, and if anybody can study very well, it's
Yeah.
silent time,
Yeah.
right? 5 to 6 time is like for a discussion, a perfect time,
Perfect plan.
right? It's in the morning
And
studying
even
means
the analysis, even the researchers has shown enough data that studying on that time
is
will be very effective.
very effective.
Right. So that's
So
very good idea.
yes, so
Surely-
we'll start
surely
now,
do that.
right?
No any doubt. I will give my maximum surely. And I
Right.
know how you're hard working.
Yeah.
And
So as a team, now this time again, Team Comrade for online platforms, like
Yeah.
as a return, right? So as a comeback, we'll
Yeah.
again come with our 2020 batch, 2020 idea,
Yeah.
right? Which was a part successful idea, right? Okay, and inshallah this will be a huge success also.
Yeah. And
Right,
what about we will be like giving only the past papers or any other that will be like given the beginning.
No, you know, like every year now everybody is expecting, now just in 2023 everybody is expecting for their best paper. What is the best paper? The best paper they are expecting is their all-level paper.
Yeah.
So every year in Sri Lanka, if there was a best paper, right, a balanced paper, it is not a model paper or something else, it is just that year's all-level paper.
Sure.
First thing everybody have to understand that now,
Yeah.
right? Okay, so that is a basic. So if anybody understands that the best paper of the year is that year's all-level paper, that means literally the past papers which we are discussing,
Yeah. Yeah.
right? If you can practice a past paper, right, not just memorizing or by hearting, just understanding and practicing, right, you will be the next intelligent person, obviously.
Yeah.
Right, so you are practicing the best paper and we will guide them to practice the best paper. That is the best
So
option,
we
not
will
model
like,
papers, not any other things.
The entire session is a discussion session, or we will like give them.
No, we'll tell them now, they know the schedule, no?
Yeah.
If they want, they can do the paper earlier. That we will discuss actually, do the paper earlier. Else,
So we will provide the PDF earlier.
yeah, we'll provide the PDF earlier.
Before the session starts.
Right, yes,
The
obviously.
group.
Yeah, and then the entire 1 hour we can take the discussion,
Okay, sure.
right? So we can take the
So I also
discussion,
will make a good schedule for my maths.
right? And if you want, like, we can give like 10 minutes of time to do them the paper, right? If it's MCQ, it's according to that, right? So
Okay.
they can do, we'll do like that, right? Okay, so then it will be patta effective for everyone,
Sorry.
right?
And even
And-
the fee is very less.
Yeah.
I think that will be.
Then
surely
they say it's
every,
actually it's a
every
good
our
help.
comrades
Yeah.
who are there with us, they will like that, and who are there with us, surely they will like. And
They will like and they will
us.
share this message also, because like, you know, that is comrade spirit, right?
Yeah, yeah.
So they will approach everyone around the Sri Lanka. Now you can remember, like last year, like some Dubai students also were joining, like,
Yeah, seriously.
right? And just to get the knowledge, actually.
They had several fun entertainment
Yeah.
like sessions online even.
Online
Because we
even.
are focusing for the online students.
Online,
So
right?
therefore,
So
nothing to worry
now-
now online
yeah.
students.
Now again we will come back
come
to you,
back for you, especially
right?
for you.
Yes, right? And then we'll share, right? So please share this message also with everyone, like as soon as you got
Yeah,
this,
and after
right?
that-
And we'll do this, right, at a stretch for 40 days project for 40 days for each subject,
Yeah.
right? The project 40 for each subject, like that we'll be doing. And then we actually need their support also.
Yeah.
With your support, right? Right,
Especially to promote this.
to promote this different
is
level
really
idea.
one effective project what we are going to start.
Yeah.
So surely we need your support. We need your support, especially in promoting this, right? Because you know how the comrades are. Comrades is just not only meant to be educational things. It is something like going to give, like even the motto, right?
The next aspiring era of the individual.
The next aspiring era of the individuals. So we need your individual intelligence. Individually, we will look into that as well, right?
Obviously.
So
Right, and then we'll see you all right with the session on 5th. Bye.
See you. Bye.